In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Apple Watch Ultra 2 or any other model, you can connect it with WhatsApp. This will allow you to reply to any notifications or messages directly from the Apple Watch itself, so you don't have to pick up your phone, open WhatsApp, and reply from there. Something that I need to make very clear is that there is no dedicated application for WhatsApp designed to work with Apple Watches. So you will not be able to simply go into the App Store, download the application, and use it altogether. So for this method, I'm going to show you the alternative that is officially recommended in the WhatsApp support page. In order to do this, first you will have to enable notifications on your iPhone and your Apple Watch, and then mirror them over to the Apple Watch. So first, open the settings on your iPhone. So in the left screenshot that I have, what you have to do is enable notifications, I apologize, for your Apple Watch and your iPhone. Make sure that notifications are enabled and you can see them pop up. Next, you have to go into WhatsApp itself, access the settings. And when you go into the settings for WhatsApp, you can enable notifications as well once more. With this done, you will now go over to the Apple Watch application and make sure that you can receive notifications from WhatsApp. So make sure that they are being mirrored over to your Apple Watch. So essentially, you have to enable notifications for the app and then the two devices. Once you are able to mirror notifications that you receive on your iPhone over to your Apple Watch like this, whenever you receive a new message on WhatsApp, it is going to be fully displayed on your watch. So you can see whoever sent the message and then all of its contents. Now you can use the reply option, and this will allow you to reply directly from the Apple Watch. You will see the keyboard and you can reply from here without having to pick up your phone. It is unfortunate that they don't have an official application, but this is the recommended way to do it. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect WhatsApp to Apple Watch Ultra 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.